Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at an armor update coming to Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so Prodigy, the official Prodigy account, made a post on the wiki and we are going to look at it. And it says, big changes to gear coming soon. Young Wizards, we may have some exciting upcoming updates to gear. Soon the gear you will wear will play an important part in battles with gear stats, with new stats equipping stronger gear will boost your power, while weaker gear might make your battles more challenging. Gear will also become level locked, meaning that you'll have to reach a certain level before equipping certain pieces. So this is like how the wands are right now. Like you may have to be at a level 10 or level 15 to equip the wand, but then it says important note for all wizards. For gear that you're already wearing, you'll be allowed to keep it equipped, but if you take it off for some reason, please know that you may not be able to put it back on if your current level is lower than the gear's required level. Stay tuned for more details on the official launch next week. So it is coming next week. And here is the picture that we have for it. So there's going to be something up here for your gear stat. So yeah, I think this is a pretty interesting update. And I'm excited to see what these gear stats will be. I wonder if it will be like what we already have with health bonus 50, or if there will be more stuff. But yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. Leave your thoughts on this in the comments, and bye.